Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Galaxy Station. If you are looking for reliable, high speed and cheap storage solution for your GoPro or any action camera, then this ADATA High Endurance series memory card is the perfect solution for you. I bought this ADATA memory card just for $25 from AliExpress. You can also find this on Amazon. This high endurance ADATA 256 GB memory card supports UHS speed of class 3. Its speed class is class 10. Its video speed class is V30 and its application performance class is A2. This 256 GB microSD ADATA memory card can support up to 100 megabyte per second read speed and 85 megabyte of write speed, which is enough for your GoPro 4K 60 FPS video. The purchasing link of this memory card is given in the video description. Please feel free to check. I have tested this memory card on my Hero GoPro 9 with 4K 60 fps and everything is fine and smooth. You can use it without any hassle. Thanks for watching this video.